Welcome to OBDSync. I'm Jason, and today's episode we're going through how to program a Chevrolet PPV body control module. So first off, we go to the vehicle button, click on the body control module tile, and that will bring us to this screen here. We'll click the flashing tab along the top, and we'll see we have two tabs down the bottom here, calibration IDs and configurable options. On the configurable options, we have all the parameters we can change. So we're going to go and turn on the paddle shift option here. And we are also going to go over to turn the remote start timer to the extended 20-minute variant. We're also going to turn on the remote windows down from key fob. We're going to enable the rear door windows. We're going to turn off the daytime running lamps, and we'll disable the speed limiter. And finally, we're going to turn the shift gear display enabled. Once we're ready, we're going to go ahead, click that right button. This is then going to start downloading the required calibration edits, and then it's going to begin the programming sequence as we can see here. The flashing time is quite fast if all it needs to do is a calibration edit, as we see here. This is done usually within a few seconds. It then spends a few moments while it finalizes the flashing routine and clears it all up to then finally complete. There we go, now completed, and that's all it took. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.